Hi, it's Greg Chambers. I was going to, or I am recording this quick video for you to answer some common questions. And you can see me looking at the screen here. I had written these questions down so that I could just talk to you in the camera and go through this. The first question that I get about this AdWords course is, who is this good for? Business to business, long sales cycle, and up and down revenue. If your revenue goes up and down, and if you're business to business, you have a long sales cycle, and your revenue goes up and down, then you would get something out of this class because we could help you level out at least the leading indicators of your revenue using this. And what is the outcome that it provides? Well, just that, steady prospecting. It's going to help you fill the pipeline. That's why you do these AdWords campaigns. And plus, it's somewhat automated. Once you set these up, the process is automated, and so it's consistent. And that's what provides you with the consistency going forward. So the way that we'll measure success is we're going to be talking about marketing qualified leads. And we'll go through what those are, but that's what this program provides. You're going to get more regular inquiries, you're going to get more regular presentations, and that should lead to more prospects, more sales. And if you're trying to determine what the value is compared to the investment, the average customer value, just take your average customer value over 3 years, and that should give you should see, if you don't have a 10 to 20 X ROI on that, then it probably is not worth doing it. So if you have limited marketing staff and mostly salespeople, it's another good fit. So how will this work? There's 4 weeks of instruction and homework. So the way that we'll do is we'll actually go through a lot of what you see right here. This is a campaign that we did for U.S. farm data, and the way we've broken this out, we will teach this entire process, getting all the way to this. This is how we determine, it's kind of the magic sauce that helps us determine what the what your ROI is, and how we set the budget, and how to get the most from AdWords. So we'll set up tracking, we'll structure campaigns, we'll build some new campaigns, and we'll manage one campaign all the way through to production. And then, let's see, the ongoing time commitment is once launched, so it takes 30 days to go through the course part of it, and then once launched, there's another 30 days to make sure that the campaign is starting to work and produce, and then we will follow up at 60 days after that. So that's 120 days. So 4 months it should be producing. So if the way it's structured, we started in September because we were thinking, hey, September, October, November, December, then we're hitting 2018 running so that we can run the successful lead campaign for a whole year. Yeah, and the reason you want to do it is my name is Greg Chambers. Bill Matern with GoLeads is going to help also. And then you'd want to listen to us because we've spent a lot of money on AdWords. So this is the way that we feel we can help you if you want to do it in-house internally and not hire us to do it. This will give you the same path. And if you even if you have somebody else doing the campaigns, this is a way to effectively manage them and to get the most from that. So that is, I yacked on for way too long, but that is what this is all about.